Recently, I ordered Samsung Galaxy Tab on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and I decided to share my personal experience as far as this particular store is concerned. And in this video, I will also give you the contact of this seller of Samsung Galaxy Tab on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see the contact of the seller and see how we eventually bought this Samsung Galaxy Tab from Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. So, but before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said, this particular store here, they have basically sell Samsung Galaxy Tab or different other product. But what they are mainly sell in this store here is Tab, just like what you see right here. How can you connect with this type of supplier on Xianyu Chinese shopping app? I'm going to access from my Xianyu app right here and I'll start all over. And for that, I will go ahead and open up my Xianyu app right here. Then I've opened up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app. I'm going to simply go ahead and click on here to open up my my chat with the seller right here, just like so. So this is the seller right here, and I'm going to click on here to open up my chat with them, and I will show you the product video before this product was eventually sent out from the seller. So this is the product video right here. I'm going to go ahead and play the product video so you can see that this is real. So you can see right here, this is a 3 different tab from this particular seller on Xianyu. So you can see this is the second one. This is the testing video of the tab right here, and this is the third one right here. Okay. This is just to show that the tab are working perfectly. You can see how neat they are. You can see how neat they are. And just like so, these are all the tab right here. Now, so I'm going to access from the video right here. You can see all my chats with this particular seller right here. And I will take you to their store and I will share the contact with everyone right here. And I will show you how you can use their contact should in case you want to buy something similar. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open the profile of this store right here. Just like so. Now, this is the store. This is the main store right here. You can see everything here is tab. So I'm going to share the store contacts. So for me to share the contacts of this store, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on here. You can also do this to share contacts to anybody, anyone. Then go ahead and click on here. And I'm going to go ahead and simply click on here. Then here we go. This is the store contact right here. What you want to do is to click on here to download the QR code, or better still, screenshot the QR code. I'm going to simply screenshot right here. Then you can send it to anybody that have interest in the store. In my next video, I will explain details about this particular store right here. Then go back right here. After you get the QR code, then you can also screenshot the QR code from this video. Once you get the QR code, how can you use it? Simply go back to the home page on Xianyu. Continue to go back. Then from home page right here, simply click on here. Then click on this image icon. Then select the screenshot, upload. And in a few seconds, it automatically takes you to the right store. Just like so. It's that simple. Like I said, click on here again, and then you can as well screenshot it from the video right here, and then you connect. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe.